There will always be certain questions wherein you cannot predict what kind of answer it would be. So how do you mentally and physically prepare for this kind of uncertainty in prelims?
Right, right. Very, very relevant, very good question, sir. Because for that also I have a story. In 2021 and 2022 prelims, I attended only around 75 questions, like less than 75 questions in both attempts.
Right.
And I could clearly clear the cutoff. In
Hmm.
2023, same I did, but in 2024 attempt, I attempted 98 questions out of 100.
Oh.
And I have come to this conclusion through my personal experience is that attempting more questions is always rewarding.
Hmm.
Why, sir? Because see, there will be questions which we feel that we know. There will be questions which we feel that we don't know. And
Hmm.
I have found that many times I take the answer with full certainty that this is my answer, and I have read this. But sir, I used to check the answer and it used to get incorrect.
Hmm.
And there were many cases where I was not aware about the answer. I did one intelligent guessing and I used to find that my answer got correct.
Hmm.
So I came to this conclusion that treat every question equally. Whether you know it, whether you don't know it, but
Hmm.
have an intelligent mindset, have an intelligent guessing ability that can only
Hmm.
generate when you have done a lot of homework.
Hmm.
Whether there is an uncertain question, whether there is a certain question, I started attempting them with same confidence because sir, confidence is key. I have seen that seeing a question which is very like which aspirant is very unaware about, they get frightened. They
Hmm.
don't want to attempt. They fear that a lot of negatives will happen. I know negatives will happen, sir, but once one is confident about one's strategy, once one is done, one has done all the homework, then if
Hmm.
done with lot of confidence, attempt with lot of confidence, I have seen that I used to score positive marks, like even +1 mark, even plus
Hmm.
one mark. I am attempting 20 questions which I am unaware about. I will get +1, but I will never go into the negative.
Okay.
And if
Okay.
my days are good, then I may score like +15, +20 if I have attempted the question which I am unaware about. So, sir, UPSC will always have questions which we don't know about. But, sir, I think confidence is the key. Believe in one's hard work and homework that one has done.
Hmm.
In one's pattern analysis, one can, sir, go for it. And I also believe when an aspirant reads extensively, like very
Hmm.
extensive reading, then the mind becomes very broad. Then the
Hmm.
thinking pattern becomes very broad. Any statement is given, one can apply logic. What
Right.
happens? One can try to have an intuitive guess, like how a bureaucrat thinks that tomorrow a bureaucrat will be faced with unexpected problems. So are they not going to attempt that problem? We have to anyway attempt that problem, and how we are going to attempt that, that will be based on our previous experiences or based on intelligent guess, right, sir? So in that way, I took prelims paper in that way only, and I attempted maximum questions and answer. I got really good marks. This is my
Excellent.
experience.